Welcome back, nail queens. I'm so excited to be back. I am feeling a little bit under the weather, so if my voice sounds croaky, I just want to let you know I'm a little sick. But I'm going to try to tough it through. But I want to show you guys the Manicure Roulette Valentine's Day edit, their 2024 Valentine's Day edit, and all that comes with it. So I've been doing unboxings of the Manicure Roulette decks every single time that they've come out with new stuff because I am obsessed with this company and their cards. So what this is basically cards that you can use to help pick out your next manicure. I use these in my small business to help me pick out designs for customers who order mystery sets, but if you are ever somebody who struggles with what to pick for your next manicure design, this is the game that you need. And I'm just showing you the Valentine's Day edit. There's so many other different packs that they have. They have their original game deck, which I'm obsessed with. That was the first one I ever purchased from them. And all that is available on their website. So if you're not into Valentine's Day, they do have other themes out on their website. And I highly encourage you to check it out. So I'm going to have everything linked below. But let's get straight into today's video. Thank you, Manicure Roulette team, for sending this over to me. I am obsessed with your products, as you know, and I'm so excited to show this off. Anyways, so the first thing that comes in this is this deck, which I actually remember this from last year. It's the 2023 Will You Be My Mani pack. It's an expansion pack, and they're called expansion packs because there's the original game bundle, which I have over there somewhere. This is like an expansion off of it. So they do seasonal releases, so they do Valentine's Day, spring, summer, Halloween, Christmas, winter, you name it. They have expansion packs for all the seasons, and they're wonderful expansion packs. So this is last year's release, and it's coming in the edit. But I do know that this was available individually. So if you were to purchase the first edition expansion pack just on its own, it is available on the website. I've converted it from UK British pound over to the US dollars because they have that option here at the top where you can change the currency. I love that feature. And they just recently upgraded their website, so it's a lot more organized and it moves a lot faster. I'm very impressed with this upgrade. Anyways, it's $45 for the expansion pack, and there's a lot that comes in here, so trust me, that price is definitely warranted. It is a luxury product. Very, very, very high quality. So, but what I'm going to be showing you today is not just this deck right here. I'm actually showing you their entire bundle. So it's going to be the Love Affair bundle. I believe it's the Love Affair. Let me double check. In the Love Affair bundle, which is their basically their Valentine's Day edit, it comes with the 50 Shades of French, which I'm going to be showing you guys, the Send Nudes, and the number 4 collector's card. It's the 4th collector's card in their series. The collector's card is an item that you can only get when you purchase these bundles. So the Valentine's Day edit, the summer edit, the spring edit, those kind of edits, when you purchase them as a bundle. If you purchase just this pack by itself, you will not be getting the collector's card. So I just wanted to put that disclaimer out there for anyone who sees the collector's card later on in this video. That is how you're able to acquire the collector's card, is by purchasing the entire bundle. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Valentine's Day Will You Be My Mani expansion pack, but this one is the one I got last year, so I'm going to show you guys what all comes in it. First of all, the packaging is incredible. I just love the attention to the detail, the feel of the paper that they use, the quality, and the fact that they're inside their cards, they make use of like all the space possible by printing like instructions and everything on the inside and outside of the packaging, and I really appreciate that. So it makes me feel like nothing is being wasted. So inside of the Valentine's Day 2023 Will You Be My Mani thing is 2 decks. You got the color palette deck and the art theme deck, and I'm going to show you what each of them have. It also comes with a beautiful promo print, which I have yet to hang up. Oh my gosh, I need to do this. I have so many of these and I need to get frames for them. I have the perfect wall in my office for these that I definitely want to hang them up on. So I'm just going to show you the color palette first, in what comes in the color palettes of the Valentine's Day one. Kind Love. I love this one. I've actually done this one before. Strong Love, Deep Love. Oh, I just love the names they have for them, and it just shows you like all the colors that you should do in if you draw this card. You got the rose. Oh my gosh, look at that foil. I love the foil. Yeah, blush. Oh, yes. And Soft Love. Okay, maybe it was Soft Love that I did, not Kind Love. I don't remember for sure, but I love the color palette on these. So if I were to do Deep Love, imagine doing a mani based on those colors. Like, I actually have a dip powder that is like those colors that was released for Valentine's Day, like probably in 2019 or 2020. So the art theme is like usually my favorite deck. Trust me, I love the color palette, but the art theme, I love doing nail art. I'm obsessed with nail art. This one is like my favorite. So in the art theme deck, we have Burning Love, Full Hearts. Oh, I just love like the hashed hearts kind of thing. Thorn to My Heart. Oh my gosh, a heart and thorns. Ooh, it's a Gradient Fling. Oh my gosh, imagine doing gradient hearts. Ooh, I Spy Love. Okay, I've seen tons and tons and tons of art in general with eyeballs on them, and I would love to do a set like this year. Love Letters, Sweetheart, A Hole in My Heart. I drew this one last year. I think it was these two that I drew, and I did a wonderful mani with these, and I will actually pop that up on the screen here for you guys to see. Fiery Love, I've done that one. Oh, Roses, yes. Hugs and Kisses. Oh, look at that tic-tac-toe. Cherry Hearts, Cupid, A Key to My Heart. Ooh, Heartbreaker, Shrubs, Bejewel. Oh, this would be great for a Taylor Swift Bejeweled mani or like New Year's. Best believe I'm still bejeweled when I walk in the room. Diamonds. Yes. Oh my gosh. I would love to do one of these. Look at that foil. You can hardly see. There we go. I want to do one of these. I do. Lips and French hearts. Oh my gosh. Actually, let me show you guys something. I just did a French heart tips mani for a customer. Oh, I love it. All right, so that's it for this pack, this expansion pack, but we have 2 more packs to unpack and the 4th collector's card. You guys, you're in for a treat. If you splurge on Manicure Roulette products, you are always in for a treat with their products. So let me unwrap all this so you don't have to hear the crinkle crinkle, and we'll get into it. All right, moving in to, it's just so cute. I love the bow. I don't even want to undo it. I'm just going to slide the things out because I don't want to undo it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm keeping this bow. This is so adorable. Okay, so we have 2 decks here, 2 expansion packs, and you have the 4th collector's card, which, by the way, that wax seal right there, chef's kiss. That is beautiful. So I think I'm going to wait till the very end to show the collector's cards. If that's something you're wanting to see, I'm going to have it towards the end of the video. So let's open up this one. Also, did they switch? Oh, like the paper they're using. Look at that. That is so beautiful. All right, so this is the Send Nudes pack. So let's open this up. I'm excited for this one. I just love the prints that they do. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. All right, so Send Nudes is a color palette. Oh, this could not be more perfect. Welcome to our color palette expansion pack. It's composed of 20 additional nude color palette cards that fit seamlessly into your card game. Okay, this is perfect for people who don't know what color nude they want to wear. All right, so I'm going to take this sleeve out. And this is a nude expansion pack. Wow, that just shows you how many colors of nude there are. There isn't just one tone of nude. So I'm going to flip it over and we're just going to kind of see all the nudes. Yes. Oh, I love this. And I have a lot of nudes like this. What company is it? D&D Gel. They make amazing nude gel polishes like this. Alabaster Nude. I like that they put white in there. But I love this. This is such a perfect color palette. So genius. Especially if somebody's struggling with what color nude to go with. Or you don't know what color nude to pair with like one of the other designs you're doing. That is wonderful. All right, next up is this one. This is the French 50 Shades of French deck, and this one has 54 cards. This feels heavy. Have they upgraded their paper again? Okay, so first of all, like that packaging is just stellar. It's so stunning. They knock it out of the park every single time. Oh my gosh, there's so many cards in here. It's just so stunning. Lottie, you do such an incredible job on your packaging. Like, I pay attention to these attention to details. Like, what? This is so incredible. Especially if you hand draw this yourself. I'm not entirely sure if Charlotte does this all by herself, but she does such an incredible job. Okay, I'm done oogling at the art. There are 54 art theme decks in here. So this is the first one, and it says negative space French. So you have that is showing you kind of how to do it. So that's negative space French 1 and then negative space French 2. So you're doing the French tip up here and you're doing that like lunar shape at the top. Flame French. I love flame Frenches. Micro straight French. So it's basically different ways to do. Oh, that's a micro French versus a micro straight French. Wow, this is so specific. Heart French 2, Heart French 1. Oh, so beautiful. Flower French. Double traditional French, number 3, double traditional French 2. And then double traditional French 1, double thick French. Oh, that one looks cool. Okay, this is, wow. I would have never thought to get this detailed on French tip designs. Okay, this is incredible. What? I seriously, like, I just go to my go-to on French or my wavy French is my favorite French to do. But yeah, like this, kind of like zigzag, but I do wavy. Yep, there you go. Wavy French is my favorite French to do. But I never really would have thought about like zigzag French. I've seen V-tip French. I wouldn't have thought two-tone French or the two-line one. There's so many in here I wouldn't have thought of doing myself. This is so genius. Traditional. Torty French, I wanted to do this so bad during the fall. Top and bottom French, that's very intricate. Thick traditional, thick straight. Straight, oh, star French, yes. Square French. Scallop French, that's actually, so I know I called it wavy, but scalloped is actually the right word for it on how I like to do my Frenches. Reverse French, one line. Ooh, I need to try this one day. Oh, this is so genius. Naughties French? Nofties? Negative space wavy, negative space square. Oh, these are so cool. Okay, I was not sure what to expect for this deck, and it's really like surpassed my expectations. I think the way I would probably start implementing this in my routine for my customers right now is doing it as like an accent nail or like 2 or 3 nails on the whole design, like if I'm doing mismatch nails. That's how I would start doing the Frenchies. That is so cool. All right, so this is the 4th collector's card. So I'm going to lift up the wax seal, which the wax seal is actually not even keeping it together. It's this little thing right here, which is nice, so that means I don't have to damage my wax seal. And if you don't want to see the collector's card because you've already purchased the expansion pack, fast forward like a minute in the future and we'll get to the end of the video. Alright, so the 4th collector's card is a unicorn. Oh my god, I love how it's laminated. I love that they laminated it. See? So there's specialty cards, they're starting to laminate them. It's a unicorn. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so great for spring manicures for sure. I need to start using my collector's cards for mani designs. Oh, I'm just obsessed with that. Like, that is so cool. So congratulations, you're the lucky recipient of the magical collector's card, the 4th of a number of cards that are a true wonder to be collected to create a collector's only expansion pack. Oh, I'm so excited. This is wonderful. All right, I love this to freaking death. This is wonderful. So yes, thank you so much, Manicure Roulette, for sending this over and sharing your wonderful product with me. I'm obsessed. I've spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars on Manicure Roulette thus far. Their products are amazing. I'm seriously, like, it really helps me be more creative, which it's the perfect time to use them right now because I have a mystery set order to complete.